May I now request Dato Sri Dr. Adham Baba, Minister of Science and Technology and Innovation in Malaysia, to address.
Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, participants, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Let me begin by expressing my deepest gratitude to the organizer for inviting me, in particular, the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, Malaysia, to be part of this important Geospatial World Forum 2022. It is significant to note that this forum is a result of strategic collaboration between prominent organizations such as the United Nations Statistics Division, World Geospatial Industry Council, International Society for Digital Earth, that involve distinguished speakers and participants from the government as well as prominent institutions around the globe. I am confident that the sharing and takeaways from this intellectual discourse will provide important impetus for the global communities to collectively address common challenges and take affirmative actions that are science and evidence-based in order to achieve sustainable development. Together, countries around the world pursue concrete action and establish solidarity to achieve sustainability through science diplomacy. Distinguished participants, in most developing countries, utilizing science, technology and innovation, STI, in improving the economy remains a challenge. Despite various initiatives that were introduced, a significant numbers of STI-related initiatives remain unaligned to meeting economic needs and benefit the society at large. As such, Malaysia has been focusing on our effort to mainstream science, technology and innovation as the main driver of economic growth in order to remain globally competitive. Malaysia aims to become a high-tech nation by the year 2030. Nevertheless, while Malaysia progresses economically, we have to ensure that the nation's prosperity is built upon environmental sustainability, coupled with social equity and inclusivity. Hence, beginning from the 12th Malaysia Plan for the period of 2021 to 2025, Malaysia has embarked a new approach by linking science, technology and innovation to the 5 years economic development plan via the 10-10 Malaysian Science, Technology, Innovation and Economy Frameworks, which focuses on 10 technology drivers to develop 10 socio-economic sectors. To ensure that Malaysia is well guided into the future, we have outlined several STI-related legislation, blueprint and roadmaps. On 25th January 2022, Malaysia has gazetted the Malaysian Space Board Act 2022 to regulate space-related activities that include the safety aspect, registration of space objects, and provision of certain space-related offences. Aside from that, several other roadmaps have and are being established, including the Malaysian Space Exploration 2030 Blueprint, National Advanced Material Technology Roadmaps, Robotic Technology Development Roadmaps, Artificial Intelligence Roadmaps, and Electronic Technology Development Roadmaps. These roadmaps are also help us to develop our talent by opening up opportunities to utilize and hone their skill sets. We are confident that with our fundamentally strong and capable talent pool, Malaysia has the necessary ingredients to attract industry partners around the world to be part of Malaysian endeavor to create a better world into the future. Ladies and gentlemen, the Malaysia SpaceX 2030 blueprints aims to create comprehensive national space ecosystem. Among the key initiatives under this blueprint are development of homegrown satellites under the National Remote Sensing Satellite Program, enhancement of national research infrastructure for global navigation satellites system, signaling monitoring and testing, creating platform for local firm and industries' participation in the global space industry value chain, promoting international partnership with a vision of sending an unmanned space probe and contributing to the growth of the space economy in Malaysia, and strengthening research in the field of astronomy and space science, including space weather monitoring, as well as the monitoring of near-Earth objects. To support the blueprint, the Malaysian Space Agency, or MISA, we call that MISA, has developed 40 centralized and integrated space-based remote sensing and geospatial application systems and database that have managed to improve public service delivery through the increased use of space technology. The multi-sectoral government remote sensing application system contain geospatial information in various sectors such as agriculture and fisheries, natural and environmental resources, disasters, security and national sovereignty. For example, the Paddy Geospatial Information System is a geospatial and ICT-based system that can be used to perform online monitoring of cultivation activities in rice granaries on a regular basis. This has enabled a faster and more accurate monitoring method compared to a manual method that requires verification in the field. This system has benefited more than 197,000 farmers in 12 rice granaries in the country, whereby preliminary estimates of the rice yield can be made as early as 80 days of paddy age. The adoption of geospatial technologies has great potential to strengthen Malaysia's competitiveness in critical areas such as food security, forest management, physical development planning, as well as national defense and security. Geospatial technologies such as airborne laser scanning and global navigation satellite system are also together with drone application to enhance the management of our forests, conserving biodiversity, and assisting in disaster management. The Malaysian Space Agency, MISA, is also equipped with assembly integration and testing facility, which can provide testing conditions as to what will be experienced by the spacecraft and its payload. The AIT facility offers a wide spectrum of test services, such as vibration and acoustic tests, thermal and vacuum tests, electromagnetic compatibility tests, mass properties and alignment and measurement, as well as radiometric calibration and characterization, all under one roof. Furthermore, MISA Mission Control Facility, which has been operational since 5th May 2005, handle the communication for both uplink and downlink with orbiting spacecraft and has provided support for another international agencies for various space missions, such as European Space Agency and Indian Space Research Organization. The facility is equipped with two antenna systems. One, a 5.0 meter diameter antenna for telemetry, tracking, and command operating in S-band frequency range. Second, a 7.3 meter diameter antenna for image receiving and processing system, IRPS, operating in X-band frequency range. The effectiveness of remote sensing application packages and system had contributed to the economic improvement and well-being of people immensely. The comprehensive space economy ecosystem is targeted to contribute about 0.3% or about USD 737 million to GDP of Malaysia and create 5,000 high-skilled jobs by the year 2030. Malaysia is homegrown to one of the 12 largest biodiversity in the world, with an immense variety of flora and fauna species, from terrestrial to marine life. Hence, it is crucial for Malaysia to adopt advanced and precision technologies and innovations, such as drone connected to artificial intelligence, machine learning, sensor technology, and other to help conserve and preserve the ecosystem, especially in the face of climate change. We have to see sustainable development goal in bigger picture to support planetary health, which has become more important than ever before. Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation will lead the formation of National Action Plan on Planetary Health using science, technology and innovation to manage our environment. We have just embarked on a pilot project on precision biodiversity entitled the Digitalization and Internet of Things Programs for Biodiversity, commissioned to the Academy of Science Malaysia. Through the pilot project, the Malaysian government is exploring the possibility of using robot and drone integrated with satellite tracking and GIS to replace conventional method of capturing data on flora and fauna. The application of these technologies not only ease up manpower needed for forest management, but also provide more precise and accurate data for research and decision making. Malaysia welcome further cooperation and partnership on space science program, both in bilateral and multilateral sphere. We look forward that this forum will further strengthen the existing cooperation as well as the opportunity to create new cooperation between Malaysia and other countries. I wish the delegate and participant a fruitful and meaningful discourse throughout this forum. Thank you very much.